How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another video from 161 Power Sports, and in this video we're talking about the new Hitachi T-40 electric golf cart. As you can see, it's a 4-passenger golf cart. It's got 2 seats in the front and 2 seats in the back. It's all bench seat, so you can fit 2 adults or kid and adult, however you want it. It's got spacious leg room in the front, so riders of any size be able to fit in it and ride comfortably on this machine. Comes with chrome wheels, big rugged tire, so you'll be able to take on any concrete or any gravel road if that's the case, and still be fine. It's got very good ground clearance. It's already lifted, by the way, so comes with that. Now it's got everything, your lights to blinkers and all that to make it street legal in most cases. It's got safety seat belts. It's got everything it needs to qualify for an electric golf cart. It stops on its own when you leave it over there. It's got its own parking brake right here, which is on right now, by the way. It's got 4 cup holders. It's got the USB charging port and a 12-volt DC outlet. It's got storage as well. We'll get that in a minute. Let's talk about this machine first. So it's the T-40 1R-LD150 model. It's from Hitachi Motorcycles. That's who makes this. It's a 48-volt golf cart. It's got lead acid battery, US made Trojan batteries. It's got the USA Curtis brand 1266, the DC 48-volt controller on it. So that's pretty neat. It's got the US ADC brand DC 48-volt motor on it, so that's pretty neat. Comes with the windshield as well. It's got DOT pass PVC foldable windshield, so that's real good. So, and it's got longer and a stronger roof. It's all hard material right here. It's not a soft top. It's got handles to hold on to when it gets bumpy for all 3 passengers right there. Let's look at this back side now. It's got additional cup holders on top of that 4 in the front, so that's real neat. Rear seat, it folds down to be a bed, so you can put stuff in it. It's got the storage underneath that as well. Put your golf clubs, wherever it is that you need to, over here. And we're also able to equip this with speakers and stuff like that as well, in addition to ones that are already in it. Look at this. It's already coming with built-in speakers. If you want something more louder, we're also able to do that. Let's look at the dash on it. It's got a digital dash, nice display. It'll tell you how much batteries left. It takes about 8 to 12 hours to charge this machine up. It's got an odometer tool. It will read the miles that you put on it. All right. So that's that. Here's a little. Oh, let me get to it. Oh, I think it gets in separate key for that. All right, we'll take a look at that in a minute. So here's your horn right here. Turn signals right up here. Boom. High beam, low beam feature. You can adjust it from here. It's got mirrors, and on the mirrors you have this indicators. So it's got the blinkers on it too. It's got a rear view mirror, big old rear view mirror in the front. And your shifter is right up here. That's your forward, and that's your reverse. And that's neutral right there. It is pretty spacious, guys. And like I said, it's electric, so it does not make any noise at all. It's got a nice little metal storage in the front. A front bumper rack. And it's got very good tires on it. Rugged. Handle on and off road, both of them. Here's your plug in for your charging port right here. Boom. That's where you plug it in. Right there. And like I said, 8 to 12 hours, guys. That's the charging time on it. A recoiling seatbelt, standard feature on it. It's got the rear lights on it as well. So in Texas, usually you just put a slow-moving vehicle sign on it, or get the Texas OHV plates for it, ride it on the streets, and should be no problem, guys. This also comes in different colors. We've got them in black, white, red, blue, and we can basically paint it any colors you guys want it in. It also does come with a windshield package as well. It's right there. Like I said, it's a DOT approved PVC foldable windshield. So that's the box right there for it. So that's pretty much it on this golf cart. If you have any further questions, please feel free to call us at 469-669-1313 or visit our website at www.161powersports.com. You can also find us locally at 1290 West Pioneer Parkway, Grand Prairie, Texas 75051. All our contact information, address, location, information, everything will be on the description below. Also, we'll put up a link down below where you'd be able to buy this unit. We're also able to ship it nationwide assembled, so you have that option. And now to test it out, guys, so you can see how it runs actually. All right, let's get it going. All right, guys, so now that we're on this machine, let's take a closer look at the dashboard so we can show you what it all comes with. So that's your main cluster. We talked about that. So now we didn't really talk more detail on that speakers system, how you can turn on and off. So you got different modes. So you have the auxiliary cord option. You also have the and the auxiliary cord, you plug it in right here. It's got the 5-volt 1 amp or 2.1 amp option available right there. Whatever USB you got in there should work. USB to a real I think 1/4-inch jack should be fine. So that's that. Let's turn it on, see how it looks. So just hold this button right here and it will turn on the machine. Turn on the Bluetooth for you right there. Now it's got different mode. So when you hit the mode option, it will tell you if you're on Bluetooth or you want FM. It's got FM on it too. So that's the Bluetooth mode right there. And on the phone, you just go in there, and this is the name, guys. I've already got it hooked up, but it's called the Car BT. That's the model name, and it is pretty damn loud. So let's hear it. Hold on. Play the song. That's about the full volume. There it is. Back in the day, it was a 6-gun and a 6-string. Man, that was country. That's the way country still ought to be. It was living I saw, it was learning I thought, had to put in. Now it's got great handling on it too, guys. Like I said, we just made that sharp turn. Didn't have nowhere to turn to, but still made it. So it's pretty neat. Let's check it out outside. See how it drives. All right, that is it, guys. So now most of the electric golf carts, they do start at about like almost $10,000, $11,000, with maybe half as many options as this one has, having the lifted edition and then the speakers and stuff like that. But we have that thing right there for right at about $87.99, and we do have financing available. So please let us know if you're interested in it, and we'll make sure you guys are taken care of. Okay? Thank you, and I'll see you in another video.